Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Shopify products using Product Import Export Lite easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin transferring your Shopify products using Product Import Export Lite, start by logging into your Shopify admin account. Once logged in, navigate to the Apps section in the left-hand menu. Next, search for Product Import Export Lite in the App Store. Click on the app to open its details page. Then, select the Add App button to install it on your Shopify store. After installation, launch the Product Import Export Lite app from your app list. You will see an overview page with options for importing and exporting products. For exporting products, click on the Export tab. Choose the type of products you want to export, such as all products or a specific collection. Select the format for the export file, typically CSV, which is standard for product data. Then, click the Export Products button to start the process. Once the export is complete, you will receive a downloadable CSV file. Now, to import products, navigate to the Import tab in the same app. Click on the Choose File button to locate the CSV file containing your products. After selecting the file, ensure the correct format is indicated. Next, click the Import Products button to begin the import process. The app will validate the file for any formatting errors. If errors are found, the app will prompt you to correct them before proceeding. Once validation passes, the import will continue, and you will see a confirmation message upon completion. You can check the Products section in your Shopify admin to verify that the import was successful. If everything looks good, your product transfer is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.